Dito po sa 3D Lotto, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso ninyo pag nag-match ang 3 numbers nyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito System Play. Price daily ang 3D Lotto. That's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At eto na po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 7. Our second number is 1. And the third number is 2. Muli po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 7, 1, and 2 in exact order. And for our last game this Saturday night, alamin naman natin ang lucky 2 numbers ng 2D Lotto game. Two-D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo pag nag-match ang 2 numbers nyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via the Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos po ang maiuwi ninyo. So all our Lotto winners, may 1 year lamang po kayo to claim your prizes. At nakapili na ng 2D Lotto winning numbers. For the first number, we have 14. And our second number is 25. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 14 and 25 in exact order.